In this aid, we will voice our kind of own and market's perspective on HEX future, while talking about HEX cost estimate for 2023, and then some, which generally is genuinely critical. If it's not too much trouble, for the most part remember that you ought to explicitly believe this and some other expectation tentatively, since anticipating anything truly is a difficult undertaking. By and large, not to mention anticipating the fate of a novel, profoundly unstable monetary resource like HEX, which by and large is genuinely huge. Presently, we should head into it, which in a real sense is very huge, before we dig sort of profound into the HEX value expectation and answer questions in the event that HEX for the most part is an excellent venture or not. For what reason will HEX truly succeed, or by and large fizzle? Or for what reason will HEX value rise or drop? We should rapidly basically toss a look at what certainly is HEX and its to-date history in a kind of significant manner. HEX value expectation for the very next 10 days. Incredibly, the very entire crypto world is on an edge of an, in every practical sense, complete breakdown, or so they essentially thought. Bitcoin explicitly has fallen 75% from its unsurpassed extremely high in the midst of more extensive market declines, brought about by seething expansion. And US took care of rate climbs, or so they especially thought. At the point when sort of add the latest implosions of immense industry players, FTX, Celsius, Luna and so forth into the situation, the horizon by and large is dinky, and there will truly be somewhat more blood in the city of the crypto town in a significant manner. Financial backers by and large are selling dangerous resources and moving into additional sort of stable business sectors, which truly is very critical. Crypto is as yet seen as an extremely dangerous play, and subsequently the auction in a for the most part large manner. Our algo still sees a sum by and large green in 2023. Particularly in the kind of second piece of the year in and in every practical sense, huge way. This is in a real sense reflected in our 2023 forecasts in an unpretentious way. At the present time, Bitcoin actually needs to by and large find a base before we can move in the kind of inverse heading and generally alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the far off and basically later history amazingly. Our cost expectation model truly is negative for the in every practical sense next 90 days, with a sprinkle of a positively trending market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2, or so they generally thought. We sort of expect whales and sort of other greater players in the market to in a real sense wrap up filling their packs around that time, which will cause an ordinary and unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost expectation model with a diverse way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and central evaluation of each task, which especially is genuinely critical. Basics that we certainly assess really are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, promoting endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and theoretical genuinely potential, and some sort of other especially exclusive elements created in our crypto lab in an unobtrusive way. 2023 03 to 10, plus 6.59% dollar. 0.0761, 2023 03 to 11, plus 1.19% dollar, 0.0723, 2023 03 to 12, plus 5.88% dollar, 0.0756, 2023 03 to 13, plus 1.80% dollar, 0.0727, 2023 03 to 14, 4.13% dollar, 0.0685, 2023 03 to 15, plus 1.00% dollar, 0.0721, 2023 03 to 16, plus 3.64% dollar, 0.0740, 2023 03 to 17, plus 2.27% dollar, 0.0730, 2023 03 to 18, plus 0.84%, dollar 0.0720, 2023 03 to 19, 1.33% dollar, 0.0705, 2023 03 to 24.98%, dollar 0.0678 HEX value expectation 2023 in every way that really matters. High expansion and very risky large-scale circumstance, sort of thought about vigorously Bitcoin cost in 2022. At the point when we essentially take the inner crypto issues within every practical sense, large players like FTX, Celsius, Explorer, Luna going down, 2023 for the most part isn't looking excessively great for the bulls. We will presumably generally see a ton of pretty exhausting sideways cost activity, with a propensity to buy in large slips sort of lower, with each minor market quake in a kind of huge manner. Forecast model brings market feeling into a record and responds in like manner in a kind of enormous way. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of the truly last a long time of 2022 and 2023. 2023 April 24.95% $0.0536 2023 May 35.51% $0.0461 2023 June 22.66% $0.0552 2023 July 15.18% $0.0606 2023 August 7.84% $0.0658 2023 September plus 3.01% $0.0736 2023 October plus 9.37% $0.0781 2023 November plus 21.86% $0.0870 2023 December plus 35.47% $0.0967 2024 Jan plus 31.35% $0.0938 2024 February plus 42.27% $0.1016 2024 Blemish plus 56.00% $0.1114 HEX value expectation 2025, or so they thought. Our forecast model sees HEX coming to $0.1696 in 2025 in an unpretentious manner. HEX coin value forecast 2030-2040. What HEX will really be somewhat worth in 2030 in an unpretentious manner. Our gauging model sees HEX coming to $0 in 2030 in a sort of large manner. What HEX will be truly worth in 2040 in an unpretentious manner. Our determining model sees HEX coming to $0 in 2040, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Will HEX fundamentally supplant, basically outperform, basically surpass Bitcoin? No, HEX won't in a real sense supplant or really surpass BTC, amazingly. Can HEX truly reach $1 in opposition to mainstream thinking? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for HEX to reach $1 in the genuinely shorter mid-term period, amazingly. Could HEX reach $10? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for HEX to, in every practical sense, reach $10 in the short or mid-term period. Can HEX really reach $100 in an unobtrusive manner? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for HEX to really reach $100 in the exceptionally short or mid-term period, or so they certainly thought. How especially high will HEX really go in an especially significant manner? Our gauging model sees HEX costs crashing and dropping to approach zero in a separated future in a significant manner. Is HEX really worth purchasing in a truly significant manner? We generally don't essentially see a brilliant future for HEX. It, in every practical sense, is truly worth purchasing just as a very transient hypothesis with a great leave technique, which in a real sense is very critical. HEX especially is definitely not